Oh no, Bitcoin is too expensive. I missed the boat. I should have bought it in 2010 when it was 10 cents. Now only the rich can make money. I hear this every single day. It is the favorite lullaby of the procrastinator. It's a convenient excuse to do nothing, sit on the couch, and complain about your bad luck. But I have a question for you. If you could go back to 1998, would you say it was too late to buy the internet? If you could go back to 2005, would you say it was too late to buy real estate in Manhattan? Today, I am going to show you a chart that will cure your depression. I am going to prove that you are not late. You are actually early. But be careful. You won't be early for much longer. Welcome to episode 6. Let's look at the clock. First, let's kill a stupid mental bug called unit bias. People think Bitcoin is too expensive. I can't afford a whole one. This is like saying, I can't buy gold because I can't afford a 10-kiloless bar. You don't need a whole bar. You can buy a gram. You don't need 1 Bitcoin. You can buy 0.001 Bitcoin. They are called Satoshis. Stop looking at the price of one coin. It's irrelevant. Look at the market cap. Bitcoin is currently worth around $1.5 to $2 trillion. Sounds like a lot? Gold is worth 16 trillion. If Bitcoin is digital gold, and it is mathematically better than gold, it still has an 8x to 10x growth just to catch up. Does an asset that can still do a 10x sound dead to you? Now, here is the breaking news that changes everything. For 12 years, Bitcoin was bought by nerds, libertarians, and crazy people like me. Small fish. But look at what happened in the last 12 months. BlackRock, Fidelity, MicroStrategy. And now, nation states. There are rumors and bills proposing a U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve. Senators are talking about buying 1 million Bitcoin to pay off national debt. Do you understand what this means? The biggest whales in the ocean are just starting to eat. Wall Street manages $100 trillion of capital. Currently, less than 1% of that capital is in Bitcoin. Imagine what happens when they move just 2% or 3% of their portfolio into Bitcoin. The price won't just go up, it will teleport. You are not late. You are front-running the pensions funds. Let's look at history. Technology adopts in an S-curve. Slow at first, then explosive, then stable. Where are we with Bitcoin? Estimates say about 5% to 10% of the world population owns some crypto. That is exactly where the internet was in 1998. Before Amazon Prime, before Facebook, before YouTube. If you invested in the internet in 1998, you were a visionary. Buying Bitcoin today is like buying Apple stock before the iPhone was released. The technology is here, but the mass adoption is just starting. So, is it too late? If you wanted to turn $10 into $1 billion overnight, yes, you are late. Go play the lottery. But if you want to protect your purchasing power and participate in the biggest wealth transfer of our lifetime, you are right on time. But here's the warning. With institutions buying thousands of coins every day, the supply is drying up. There are only 21 million seats on this train. And the big guys are buying entire wagons. The door is still open, but the conductor is about to blow the whistle. Stop crying about the past you can't change. Focus on the future you can still own. Subscribe to the channel because in the next episode we debunk the scariest myth of all. It's a Ponzi scheme. Is it? Let's find out.